Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through sending a signature request using the BoldSign Node.js SDK. You'll also see how the signer completes the signing document after receiving the request. If you're new to BoldSign, I've linked videos in the description below that will help you get started with the application. I'll start by installing the BoldSign Node.js SDK in my project. Make sure you have Node.js version 12 or higher installed. I open my project in Visual Studio Code, launch the terminal, and head to the BoldSign developer documentation. There I copy the installation command, paste it into the terminal, and run it to install the latest SDK version. With the SDK installed, I confirm the setup by running npm list BoldSign, which displays the installed version in my project directory. Next, I create a signature request. I return to the BoldSign developer documentation and copy the sample Node.js code for sending a document. I paste it into my JavaScript file. I update the code. In the API client, I set the API key to connect with BoldSign services. If you haven't created your API key yet, you can create it in the BoldSign web app. Then I define a signature field by specifying its position on the document. I set up the signer's details, their name and email address, and assign the signature field to them. Next, I upload the document to be signed, in this case, a non-disclosure agreement. I set the document title and pass this object to the Send Document API to send the document for signing. With everything set, I run the script to send the signature request in BoldSign. Let me switch to the BoldSign web app and show you the document status. In the Documents section, I navigate to My Documents and select the Waiting for Others tab. Here, you can see the agreement I just sent for signing. Opening it displays the complete details, including the document ID, status, and signer details. Next, I'll switch to the signer's side and walk through the signing process. I received an email notification to sign the document. I click Review and Sign and go to the document signing page, where I first accept the terms and conditions. Then I fill in the required form field and click Finish to complete the signing process. The document is now successfully signed. I have received the completed document as well as the audit trail document via email. First, let's open the completed document, which includes the signature. Then, the audit trail. This provides a log of all activities with timestamps and actions taken by the signer. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign API tutorial videos.